Hey guys, and welcome back. It's your girl Naturally Naija, and I'm back with another video. Don't forget, if you like the content you see today, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell for me. Thank you. Now let's get on to the video. This is going to be, as you can tell by the title, a maximum hydration method that I got, and that it was inspired by oh girl, I'm all over the place. It was inspired by the only one Jess. Alright, so let's get into it. I'm starting off with saturating my hair and running my fingers through so it can be detangled. And I do have sections. I have 4 sections going on. Next, I'm going to go in with this Shea Moisture. I couldn't even read what that said. I don't even know my own products, but it's Shea Moisture and it's a clarifying shampoo. That's step 1, to use a clarifying shampoo. So first I'm using that and I'm raking it through my hair. And y'all see how this product is, okay? Y'all see the bubbles, y'all see the saturatedness, alright? So yeah, that's why I'm using that, because it smells nice and it just does great for my hair. So I figured out what the product is called. It's the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Shampoo. I'm using a brush right here just because my hair wasn't really dirty. It just had a lot of gel in it, so it was kind of just matting it up. So I just decided to go in with my brush, handy dandy brush. It does not have balls on the ends. Make sure you get brushes without the little hair ripping balls on the end. Once again, if you're new, I do have a tendency to get product in my eyes and face, and I hate it, so that's why I make the faces. So just don't mind the faces, okay? Just look at the hair. And now I'm going in again with the same shampoo just to make sure my scalp is clean this time. The first time I wash my hair, it's more so focused on the hair shaft, and then the second time I focus it more on the roots. As you can see, getting a nice good scrub there. And now I am washing out the second round of shampoo. Washing it out real good, making sure there's no more shampoo left. Okay guys, so this is how much I lost. This is a month's worth of shedding and what I just brushed out in the shower. That is huge. Wow. A month's worth of shedding and what I just detangled. I don't think this is normal, but next up we have the conditioner. We're done shampooing. Okay, for the conditioner I'm going to be using Aunt Jackie's In Control Moisturizing and Softening Conditioner. This smells really good. Okay, so I do want to say part of the reason why my face was looking like this right here is because this product smells good, but it's just a little too strong. Like, this was my first time using this product. It did what it was supposed to, but it was just really strong. Like, the smell was just... So yeah, I'm just gonna stop making excuses for my faces, because there's just none. That's just me, okay? It's just me. Okay, I will be right back, guys. Okay, so I'm on my last section. I had to step out of the shower because I'm just tired of being in there. So I do have a question for y'all, if there's any naturalistas out there, because I think I have low porosity hair. I'm not sure, but it seems like my hair just can't hold water. Like it don't matter what I do. Does that make sense? It don't matter what I do. It doesn't matter what I do. It doesn't matter what I do, but my hair just like, as soon as I put water in it, about 2 minutes later it's gone. So I don't know what to do about that. Even while I'm putting in this conditioner, like I had to re-wet my hair because the conditioner was just not, it was just sitting on top of my hair. So if you have that problem, let me know what you do to help that, because I'm trying to keep my hair moisturized. That's my number one thing, keeping it moisturized, not dry looking or feeling. And yeah, that's why I'm doing this video. Okay, and this is how it's looking. Right. So I was gonna wait, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and wash this out because I have so many other things to do. So I'm gonna take this all down and show you guys how it looks. Hopefully it looks moisturized, because oh my goodness. So y'all see how thick my hair is? Let me just turn around for y'all. Huh? Somebody say something? What? Talking about me? Can't get the definition. There's no definition yet, but this is how it looks. I lowered the lighting some so y'all could see, hopefully better. Okay, let's wash this out. Okay, next we have the Aztec Clay Mask. I've never tried this before and I'm really excited for it, so let's get into it. Okay, I'm sectioning off my hair and I'm just gonna apply this stuff and see what we have. By the way guys, for the how to do the mixture, I kind of just eyeballed it. Like, I knew what consistency I wanted it. I didn't want it too runny and I didn't want it like too gooey either, so I just mixed it until it was like a, you know, soft, like kind of like lotion, a little looser than lotion. But yeah, I just mixed the Aztec clay with apple cider vinegar, and I think I put a little water just because I didn't want too much apple cider vinegar. So, and as y'all can see by my facial expressions, I was really happy. And yes, I really was happy. Like, this stuff was really surprising me. I didn't really think this maximum hydration method was gonna work for me. But once I started putting on the mask, I'm just like, okay, this is for me. This is it. These are the products I need to be using. And that's exactly what it was, as y'all can see. And when y'all see like further on, it's gonna look even better. So just keep on watching. Another thing, then I'm gonna stop talking. There is no like special way I put on the Aztec clay. My goal was kind of to get every strand. Like, that's just what I had in mind. So keep that in mind as you're putting on the Aztec clay, like from roots to ends. That's pretty much what I was trying to do. Okay, I'm gonna do my whole hand and come back because it's too long. Okay, so this is how it looks. If I'm shaking, it's because I'm cold. So bear with me, guys. I can't even talk straight because I'm so cold. I'm like shivering. So if I sound weird, that's why. But this is my hair, guys.
Is your hair?
And your hair actually look black.
You do?
Yep. It's like it brought out the actual color or something.
All right. And the last thing we're gonna do. I'm shaking. It's cold. I've been in here all day, okay? So the last thing I'm gonna put is the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate leave-in. Look at my hands. Wow, guys, this really works. What the heck? so that's it for the maximum hydration wash day routine. Once again, this was inspired by the only one, Jess. Shout out to her because, ooh, child, I don't know what to do. So, oh, I'm gonna die. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Wait, actually no. I'm gonna do my hair and then I'm gonna show y'all how it looks, how it turns out when I'm gonna do my hair and then I'm gonna show y'all how it turns out when I take it down, how it looks. So yeah, bye. Oh, and guys, by the way, this is how much hair I lost. This. So, yeah. I don't think that's bad. My hair's been up for a whole month and 2 weeks, I think. So, I think this is expected. But I mean, my hair looks great now, so. Alright, that's all I want to say. See you guys when my hair is done. Bye! Alright guys, so I'm at Chuck E. Cheese right now for a little birthday party for my niece. But this is how my hair looks. This is how the twist out came out. Hope you guys like it. I like it a lot. It looks very nice. It's very much moisturized. Very much giving. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And yes, what's this in the back? Subscribe if the twist out was good. Y'all know y'all enjoyed this video. But anyways, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!